Hello everyone, let's solve this simple problem on bearing solution. A boy moves from town A to town B on a bearing of 45. Now let's present that diagrammatically. The boy is moving from this point called point A, and he moved to point B on a bearing of 45 degree. That means the angle from the north to this line is 45 degree. Then from this point he covered 5 kilometer from A to B. Let's call this point B. So this is 5 kilometer from A to B. Then from this point he then moved eastward as he covered 8 kilometer. That means he moved towards the east as he covered 8 kilometer. Okay, so this is the point C after he covered 8 kilometer. So this is 8 kilometer. And the question is saying that we should calculate the distance AC. That means we should calculate the distance from A to C. So it's better you join A and C together so that you have a closed triangle. And from here, what do? We don't know any of the angles here, so we need to know this interior angle here. Now, this is 45 degree. Because of alternate angle, this place should also be 45 degree. And then remember, this is east to south, so this is going to be 90 degree. So if I add all this, it's going to be 45 plus 90, and that will give us 135 degree. This means that we've known one of the angles. Now, this is the point we are looking for. Let's name it as X. Let's name this point as point X. And then what formula can we use to solve this? We're going to use cosine formula. And this is going to be B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos capital letter B. This is the formula for cosine rule, and from here our B square will now be the X square because it's what we are looking for. So here I'll write X square equal to, now this is the angle A, and the angle opposite the side opposite this angle A is 8 kilometer. So that means our A is 8 square, then plus C, this is angle C, and the opposite is 5. So this is going to be 5 square, then minus 2 multiplied by A is still 8, then C is 5, then cos B. And our B now is 135, so I'll have 135 here. Then from here now, we'll take another step. X squared is equal to 64, because 8 squared is 64, plus 5 squared, that is 25, minus 2 times 8 times 5 will give us 80. Then we'll have cos 135. We have cos 135. So from here now, X squared will be equal to 64 plus 25 will give us 89. Then minus 80 cos 135. 80 cos 135 will give us negative 56.6. To give us negative 56.6. And this means that X squared will be equal to 89. Negative multiplied by negative will give us positive, then 56.6. So x squared will be equal to, the next thing I will do is to add this together. So I'll have 149.6. And since we are looking for x, I would have to take the square root of both sides. So here is going to be square root of 149.6. Therefore, x is equal to 12.2 kilometer. But the question says we should look for AC, and AC is the same as x. So therefore, AC, that is the distance from A to C, is equal to 12.2 kilometer. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.